Look at the scale and complexity of this environment. In heavy industrial operations, the continuous pulse of massive turbines and pressurized systems determines whether a facility thrives or halts. Equipment reliability is the baseline of operational survival. Sustaining that survival requires maintenance budget planning. This is the process of estimating, allocating, and controlling the financial resources required to maintain equipment and infrastructure throughout a specific period. The process serves a dual objective, ensuring that assets operate safely and reliably, while simultaneously minimizing the expenditures associated with unexpected breakdowns. On the plant floor, budgeting functions as a strategic lever. It is the primary tool for predicting when a critical component will reach its breaking point and identifying exactly how much capital is required to intervene. Every physical machine degrades over time. Wear, friction, and thermal stress are absolute certainties. A facility must translate that inevitable physical degradation into a measurable financial plan. A maintenance budget is an engineering blueprint. It maps out how an organization will convert unpredictable mechanical failures into a planned, controllable set of financial variables. To master maintenance finance, we build the budget from first principles. We start with the physical requirements of the asset and work our way upward to the balance sheet. Think of the process as an empty digital ledger, waiting for inputs. We will populate this matrix systematically. We will execute this in 3 stages: categorizing the foundational costs, executing a 7-step calculation model to generate the final figures, and defining the key performance indicators that measure success. Every dollar recorded on this ledger must trace directly to a specific physical action, a predictive technology investment, or a statistical probability of failure. Understanding this build-up process allows for a transition from reactive repair work to strategic asset management. The first step in building our model is dividing all financial inputs into 2 categories: direct costs and indirect costs. Direct costs represent the tangible resources actively deployed to service or fix machinery. These are the expected expenditures of doing the work. Direct costs break down into 3 subcategories. Labor covers technician salaries, overtime, and contractor charges. Material encompasses spare parts, lubricants, and consumables. Tools include specialized maintenance hardware and calibration equipment. Indirect costs operate differently. These are the hidden penalties of a poorly managed facility that often exceed the cost of the repair itself. The most critical indirect factor is downtime cost. This is the quantifiable production revenue lost every minute a critical asset sits idle due to failure. Other indirect expenses accrue quickly, including administrative software licenses, safety compliance inspections, and environmental remediation. The purpose of a maintenance budget is to optimize the allocation of direct costs, compressing and eliminating the exponential indirect costs of unexpected downtime. Moving from broad cost types, we distribute our direct funds into 6 operational components. These form the primary columns of our budget matrix. Component 1 is the preventive maintenance budget. This funds scheduled routines, monthly motor inspections, regular lubrication programs, and quarter-cycle filter replacements live here. Component 2 is the predictive maintenance budget. This allocates capital for condition monitoring technologies, vibration analysis, thermography, and oil analysis, designed to detect anomalies before a physical failure occurs. Components 3 and 4 cover corrective and breakdown maintenance. These are distinct funds reserved for troubleshooting, replacing failed components, and managing sudden emergency repairs. Component 5 is the spare parts budget. Operations require stockpiles of consumables, bearings, couplings, and belts to ensure immediate inventory readiness when repairs are needed. Component 6 is capital maintenance. This is investment reserved for major life cycle events, activities like boiler refurbishments, transformer replacements, or total turbine overhauls. A structured budget architecture front-loads investments into proactive, preventive, and predictive components. This targeted spending shrinks the necessary allocations required for reactive breakdown scenarios. With the architecture defined, we execute a rigorous 7-step planning process to populate the figures. Step 1 requires a deep review of historical data. This line chart tracks historical expenses. Mapping breakdowns against parts consumption shows a steady cost rise from $100,000 to $125,000 over 3 years. Step 2 assesses asset condition. We plot equipment age against failure frequency to evaluate the remaining useful life of our critical machinery. Combining these historical cost trends with the current physical health of the equipment provides a data-driven baseline projection for the upcoming year. The recorded history of physical degradation is the most reliable predictor of your future financial requirements. Step 3 moves to estimating maintenance activities. We compile a schedule of every planned shutdown, daily inspection, and annual overhaul required. Step 4 demands estimating resource requirements. We quantify exact technician labor hours, required external contractors and specialists, and the necessary consumable parts. Step 5 calculates the budget. We pull estimates into the formula: labor cost plus material cost plus contractor cost plus overhead. Step 6 adds a 5 to 15% contingency buffer. This margin absorbs emergency breakdowns to yield the total maintenance budget. Step 7 is approval and implementation. The proposal is submitted for management approval, shifting the phase from theoretical planning to active expenditure monitoring. By utilizing this formula, the maintenance department demonstrates that their requested funds are a calculated sum of mechanical realities rather than arbitrary guesses. This table shows the finalized output of the process for a manufacturing plant. The detailed components sum to a $110,000 annual budget. Notice the values calculated for predictive maintenance at $8,000 and the contingency reserve at $5,000. These figures directly result from the 7-step evaluation. While labor and parts consume the bulk of the funds, the strategic edge of the facility relies on how those smaller investments in predictive technology protect the larger operational whole. A finalized budget sheet converts the technical specifics of an engineering strategy into standard corporate financial language. An approved budget is only effective if its efficiency is continuously tracked against the actual performance of the plant. We monitor this using key performance indicators. This formula divides total maintenance costs by total units produced, linking efficiency to revenue. A second metric measures maintenance cost as a percentage of asset replacement value, verifying upkeep remains proportional to the hardware's total value. Sustaining this system requires rigorous best practices, deploying active CMMS software, enforcing spare parts inventory control, and executing root cause failure analysis. Every calculation and contingency reserve circles back to a physical purpose, guaranteeing the longevity of the infrastructure and the safety of the personnel operating it. Rigorous budget planning provides the financial stability required for long-term asset management. By quantifying the cost of mechanical degradation, organizations can protect their capital investments and maintain a predictable path toward industrial profitability.